Hey guys, Jahni making a YouTube video today, and today it's gonna be all about dogs. So nothing too big. I planned on bringing you on the adventure with me. Yeah, so that's a bull mastiff, half pit bull, half Rottweiler, pit bull down there, half Akita and half something else. I don't know what the other half is. Yeah, they're having a tug of war right now. Tug of war. And this is Fluffy, Max, Bush, Sheila over there. Yeah. Hello. Hello. Yay. Tug of war. Who's gonna win? Yeah, so far Max is winning. Oh my gosh. Bush always running away from me. Yeah. No, No, Max is. I meant both. Fluffy is. First toughest, second toughest, third toughest, and last toughest. Well, he's pretty tough though. Yeah. Oh, I feel so relaxed outside. Just getting some fresh air. Yeah. No, second. Yeah. He won't really bite him. Oh my gosh. Hey, move on! Yo, you saw that? I swear, Fluffy was just gonna kill Max. Move on! Yo, Sheila's fighting with Bush. Yo, they're actually playing though. They won't actually get bitten. I know Fluffy won't actually bite them. He's a good boy. Hello. 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 No! You're burning me.
Hey, Ma! Stop that! Hey! Max, be a good boy. Be a good boy, eh? Be the boy that you can be. Don't fight people, eh?
Yo, I swear Max just bites up my iPad screen. Yeah, it's good.